There are scholars for everything you can think of. There are even people who spend all their time watching birds and studying their song.
There are approximately 4,000 species of songbirds in the world, nearly half of the global bird population.
With certain variations, they usually sing in the morning.
The songs are believed to serve several purposes, including helping other birds locate them.
During mating season, they sing less than usual.
The first birds to start singing are the blackbirds, robins and wrens. The males sing from the trees and the larks sing in flight.
Both males and females sing.
Birds make different sounds, chirps, whistles, trills, and more.
How do they make these sounds? There are sounds produced differently, vocal and non-vocal sounds.
Vocal sounds are created by a special organ in birds, the syrinx. The syrinx is located in the upper portion of the trachea.
Thin membranes vibrate and produce sound as air passes through the trachea.
Other sounds include beak clicks and wing flapping.
Species with more developed syrinx can more precisely control their sounds. An impressive detail in some species is that they have two separate tracheal tubes, which allows them to produce two completely different sounds simultaneously. The thrush, for example, can sing a duet with itself.
The song in birds can serve as an alarm signal, attraction for the mating season, communication between individuals of the same species, as well as marking their territory.
I hope this video has been useful to you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel. Shava Ta'in.